Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just on a little leisurely drive, 100 miles from home. I'm gonna go look at a car. It's a day off, thought, let's get going. Well, it's probably a little loud in here. It's because, you know, we're in Blanche. It's not exactly a quiet car. So if you can't hear me, tough shit. Now, everybody knows that I have two of the three BOP. I have an Oldsmobile, we have a Pontiac. Notice I didn't say I have a Pontiac, because that's right, the Pontiac is actually Amber's. I got some jackass racing me in a rumble rear, man. That's how it goes. I don't want to race. I'm already doing the speed limit. Let's scope out a car that I'm possibly going to be driving back home at a later date. So, once I get up there, I'll film a little bit of it, but this is something that ain't going to be put on my regular channel. It's going to be in my Angry Mick Club. You're only going to be able to see it. So, number one, thank you for buying into Angry Mick Clubs. It allows me to do this. What I'm doing is I'm going to try to save this here car. I had a little bit of a rough life. She's been sitting about 15 years, but I got a hold of the guy who's selling her for another guy, and they're going to send me into it. He'll let me walk around and let me get a little peek of what I'm dealing with if I buy it. I haven't bought it yet. This could be pretty cool, actually, guys. Very cool. Like, rare. As in, maybe 2,000 made total. Rare. I'll catch you up when we get there. It's about right here. Well, guys, I made it to my destination. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at, because that gives it away. This place is kind of a staple of the area. Everybody knows what's here, and everybody's always asked about these. Well, let me show you what I got. 1967 Buick Grand Sport. They seem normal, but it's not. It's a GS 340. That's right. There's a GS 340 and a GS 400. These are the rarer of the two, but let me show you some problems. Yeah. It had an accident. Not really its fault. Drunk driver come down the road here, basically barrel rolled through the fence, and 20 cars out here, and this one and two other ones took the brunt. So got that to worry about. But these are only on the Grand Sports. Okay, this thing is rusty and crusty, and that's fine. This is not going to be a problem. I don't think we're going to get that fixed. Just a little walk around for you, just give you an idea what it is. Missing one tag right there. Does have air shocks. Do not have the key to the trunk, so I'm gonna have to drill that. Fuel tank's empty, but yeah, old school Kragers. And inside, not bad, you know, for having tons of water for I don't know how many years. It's been sitting for right around 15 or 20, they said. I'm guessing probably about 120,000 miles. It says 22 on the odometer. You know, no big deal. The original steering wheel's gone, which I wish was here, because those are neat. They're kind of weird. These are not the original seats. Okay, they should look like that. This had a bench seat that was standard in these. Got the original stereo in it. Everything is here. It's, you know, wet. Believe it or not, these floors are solid. They're solid. I don't know how. They're wet and they're solid, rear and front. So yeah, this is a real deal, guys. And you know, I'm not showing this to anybody, so if you're seeing this on the membership thing, shh, They'll know a little bit, but they're not going to know it all. All right, check this out. That is the original 340 with the original carb and air cleaner. These came on the Buicks, my understanding, and the GTO. And that's it. I don't know what else it came on, but you know, this is the 344 barrel, and it is a stout little 260 horsepower engine. This is a non-air, basically a race car, except for the fact it has a Fram oil filter on it. So, but I did go around, just double checked. She spins free. Spins completely free. I can't do it with one hand. I might be able to. Let me see what I can do with this one. Yep. But anyway, it's free. It spins. Carburetor's not locked up, but we'll have to bring one with us. That's a whole nother story. But it has dual exhaust with Flowmasters on it. And this is the damage. The guy came through, hit here, hit the hood, and hit the top. So everything is going that way. So I'm thinking we could pull that back. We'll get a new windshield in it and things. Try to straighten this out as much as I can, straighten this out as much as I can, and that's it. But yeah, she's 2-speed. I think it's Power Glide. I don't know what Buick's name is. I'm not that smart on this yet. But yeah, standard on the GS is this red. And it's all here. It is not broken, thank God. This part is broke, but I think we can make this work. I don't restore anyway, guys, remember? Yeah. So she's full of oil, full of trans fluid. The oil looks brand new. Trans fluid looks brand new. This thing sat basically right after they parked it in here, and they were going to do some things to it, and then the accident to it happened. I don't know when that happened. I'll find out, but you know, it is what it is. But this is what we're looking at, and this beauty comes with this beauty. This is a 67 GS 400 shell. Not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but it is an air car. Might do some stealing, doubt it. I like the sweat, you know. Extra bumper, lights, lenses, bezels, good deck lid, trunk lid, whatever. There's a lot of good little metal pieces in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but yeah, it comes with that. So I'm just trying to make a list of everything I'm gonna bring back up here. So here we go, guys. Why do I need a list? I need a list because this gem is driving home. That's right. You want to revive and drive, here's a big one. So anyway, I'm done for here now. I got to get back home. So remember, shh, all right? Anyway, so I'm back on the road headed home, about 100 miles. No windshield. Beat to shit. But I'm gonna drive it home. And you're gonna see it on the channel, but only you guys on this are gonna see it now. So I'm sure it'll get out there pretty quick that I got it, but it's a pretty rare car. You don't see a lot of them, and if you do, they're usually like pristine shape and, you know, garage kept and all that. It looks to me like this one here was a street racer, and I'm hoping when we get that sucker fired up, if it'll fire up, now we may be looking at something with a little pep. It is posi track. I don't know. I really don't know what they were to begin with. I don't know if they're limited slip, single wheel. I don't know, but I do know she's posi track. So anyway, guys, I'm on my way home. Appreciate you watching.